Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm sure you guys are doing well, healthy, okay, and alive. I want to show you how to get a $30 welcome bonus, or should I say, no deposit bonus, because you actually do not need to pay or to make any deposit to get this $30, right? So, this is a broker that offers you $30 to trade and withdraw profits, right? So, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do well to like and subscribe. I post contents on Forex, trading, insights, and no deposit bonuses that you can claim and anything ranging from crypto and the rest of that, right? So please, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, right? So without further ado, let's go down to the site. The link will be available in my description, right? So click on that link and it's going to take you here, right? So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about claiming this bonus, the rules, terms and conditions. Just make sure you stick to the end of this video, right? So now when you come to this site, if you don't have an account, just click on register now so you can register.
On my league. I don't like you. I hate you. As a matter of fact, I hate your mom. I hate your bro. You know what? I hate your dog. How would you put my number on the block? How would you not take my fucking code? How would you always talk to me about? Do not disturb me, please. Do not disturb.
Okay, so you'll be sent a pin to your registered email to confirm. So you just put in that pin that was sent to you, then click on continue, right? So this is the interface of the website. Okay, this is your dashboard. Right now, if you look here, it says the bonus is going to be ending on the 31st of December. Well, that's what they normally say for most no deposit bonuses, but the truth is it's going to end far beyond that time, far before that time, pardon me. Because when the troop of persons start coming in, a lot of persons start coming in, they'll be forced to close down the broker, the no deposit bonuses, right? So you have a lot of time to hop in on this $30 no deposit bonus, right? So yeah, and as you see right here, you can withdraw a minimum of $30 and a maximum of $200. So you cannot withdraw past $200, and you cannot withdraw until you have at least $30. Okay, so now after all said and done, what are we supposed to do to get this bonus? Now it's quite simple, right? If you come to the dashboard, you will not see anything related to promotion and the rest of that, right? But trust me, they'll give you the bonus when you do this. You just have to come to your profile, right? Come to your profile and then click on upload documents. You just need to verify your profile. Notice here your profile has not been verified yet, right? So you just need to click on that and yeah, let's see how we verify our account. So we want to upload our documents, right? So let's upload our ID card or passport, right? Whichever one you want to upload. Okay, so I'll just put in my documents number right here. Okay, so then you put in your country of issuance, depending on what country that you are in or you are from. Then also you upload your documents, right? Which is your passport or your ID card or your NIN if you're in Nigeria. Right, so I'll just quickly do that. Okay, so you also need to take a selfie with your ID and also upload that as well. Okay, so after filling up all of those details and submitting it, just wait for probably 48 hours or more than that to get your account verified, right? So after that, this message will get out of here, right? So now the next step, now this is why I'm making this video before getting verified, is because the thing is most of these bonus actually they do not take a long time to get closed, right? So they take like sometimes a no deposit bonus like this can take just 1 week, 2 weeks, and then they are gone. You will not get the bonus again, right? So I had to like be quick. There are some bonuses I also wanted to make a video on, but before I could even do anything and get verified and the rest of that shit, they disabled the bonus, right? So now I'm not taking chances, right? Any bonus I encounter, I'm just going to make the video and upload, right? And then we'll do all the process together. Okay. So just make sure you go and verify your account, right? And now after verifying your account, then you just come to the chat support system. This should be after you have verified the account, right? After your account is verified and is written verified, then you come here and click on chat now. Okay. Now you write a message. You tell them this. You say, I have I have verified I have verified. What the hell is wrong with my keyboard? I have verified my account, and I want I want to request for the $30 no deposit bonus, right? So this should be after you are verified and you are sure that your account has been verified, right? So as for me, my account is not yet verified, so I'm not going to send this message, right? Because obviously this is going to be a lie, as it is boldly written here that my profile has not been verified yet, right? So once your account is verified, just send this message to any chat
More
support
music on
agent that is available,
trendybeats.com.
right? Click send, and then you'll get a response, right? If your account is truly verified, you are going to get the $30 no deposit bonus without any hassle, right? So that is it, guys. That's the information I have to share about this broker, right? So please, if you find this content very, very interesting and you love the work I do here, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, peace out. See you in the next one.